Hi guys, how are you? It's Matthew here from the Skibbereen Food Company, and today I'm going to show you how to make a homemade pesto but using peanuts. Hope you enjoy the recipe. I'll see you at the end. Okay, one of the first things we do is that we buy our fresh basil, and when I'm making homemade basil pesto, I always use the stalks in it, okay? And all I do is kind of pull it to bits and put it straight into my glass container. So I've grated my parmesan. I would recommend you getting a full block of parmesan or a wedge that you grate, rather than just getting, shall we say, already grated parmesan in a bag. We've got our 3 cloves of garlic, we have our rapeseed oil, and we have our salt and pepper. And that's the ingredients that I make for a very basic homemade pesto. And obviously the last ingredients is our salted peanuts. So all we're going to do now is we're going to place all our ingredients into our glass bowl. So we've got our basil, our grated parmesan, we've got our garlic. I might just cut those a little bit, okay. Then we have our peanuts that we're going to throw in just to give it a bit of body. But I really like this because the peanuts give it a different flavour, and the peanuts are a lot less expensive than pine nuts. Then we're going to add some oil, some rapeseed oil, and then we're going to get the show on the road by just whizzing this, okay, with our bar blender. So here we are, we've just whizzed it all. Now I'm just going to put a bit of salt and pepper in it, and just to season it slightly. And you'll see the lovely green look I've got. Now you can add less oil, more oil. I've got this consistency, as you can see, and that's literally it, almost done. And what we do is now we package it away into an airtight container, and you can use it over the next week or two. So there you have it, guys. In about 2 minutes flat, you have a lovely homemade basil peanut pesto. I put an extra clove of garlic in this because I like garlic. You can cut back on that, okay, but it's really, really versatile. You can use this at home in your pastas, on top of your toasted bread, and you know, it costs very next to nothing if you make it yourself. So I hope you enjoyed this. Follow me on my YouTube channel and all my social media channels, and I wish you a very, very happy day. See you guys, talk to you soon.